Hi everyone, this is just going to be kind of an impromptu video on what I do to charge my or keep my battery warm on the Ford Ranger in the winter. Some of you are going to cringe. I'm just going to do this really quick, but it works for me. All right, even though I do park in the carport, it is not heated, and the battery probably could be a better one. It is new, but it doesn't have the best cranking power. So what I've done is the old method. I've updated actually a little bit. Is I had to utilize some spliced in wiring some time ago that was connected to this kind of USB setup that had been added into the vehicle. This switch here just turns it on and turns it off. That was an acorn. Now, what I had to do in the past is this here kind of floated all around, all over the place. I'd have to, so I could see it, I had to plug it in, set it up on the dash, because I didn't want to set it on any kind of carpeting or anything. And it came with two hooks like this, positive and negative, and this wiring also had positive and negative. Now, these two wires are not connected to anything, obviously, but what I had last winter is pretty much had the positive to positive like this, negative to negative. And in the dashboard, I hung this stuff up so nothing was touching and shorting out. So what I've done now this year, to at least make it easier for myself, is I took these wire off of this connection that I spliced into. I have spliced this directly into this. So now all I really have to do is when I drive in, I'll plug this unit in. Now, right now, this is just going to be a test. Well, why don't I go through the steps I normally do? All right, so I connect this power. That makes this connection to the battery, because obviously I don't want this under the hood, because I have to open and close the hood, take it in and out all the time. That's a pain. All I have to do now is I plug this in. Now, this will charge it, and then we'll go into sleep mode to keep the battery warm. But what I actually do during the winter is through the driver's side window, I'll bring a cord in that is plugged into an outlet in this carport. And all I have to do is hit a couple switches. That unit will no longer float around, and that will keep my battery ready for startup in the winter. All right, folks, if nothing else, I hope you found this entertaining. Please feel free to comment. Like I said, some of you are probably going to cringe at this, but it's a quick little video and it works for me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.